9301 Gaston Court, located in the prestigious golf community of Schaefer's Mill in Truckee, California. This beautifully designed estate by TRC Homes sits on a premier lot just off the 13th green on the mountainside of the golf course. Upon entry, you'll be greeted with an open concept layout, perfect for entertaining your friends and family. This house has plenty of room for everyone, with 4 en-suites in total, with 3 on the main level. Upstairs, you'll find a fun bunk room and rec area. With a spacious deck to take in the stunning views. In addition, downstairs, you'll find the primary suite with beautiful natural light, a fireplace, and direct access to the hot tub. After a long day, enjoy the spa-quality feel of your private bathroom. With a simple step outside, you're greeted with a covered patio equipped with heaters, as well as a fire pit perfect for s'mores or to socialize with guests. What's more is the amazing amenities included with your home, from a resort-style pool to the gym, basketball and tennis courts, and a private shuttle to North Star, with access to a members-only ski lounge at the village. In addition to those luxury amenities, the location of this estate is perfect. It's close to downtown Truckee, famous ski resorts, and Lake Tahoe. What more could you want out of your mountain home? For more information on this listing, contact Eric Navarro at 480-695-6771 or email at eric.navarro@compass.com.